A 10-second hair repair treatment? Sign me up. This is the Intense Bond Duo by Pallure, and all you need to do to give your hair a complete makeover is start with the Intense Bond shampoo. Then you're just going to apply the Intense Bond water onto the links and ends of the hair, and you're only going to let that bond water sit for 10 seconds, not minutes, seconds. I can't even explain to you guys how rejuvenating and brand new her hair feels after using this. It works insanely fast. No more saying you can't find time for a hair mask.
This is how you can achieve glass hair using Pallure's Intense Bond Shampoo and Water. First, cleanse the hair with the Intense Bond Shampoo. It'll cleanse and revive your hair without stripping out your color. Next, use the Intense Bond Water. This is the hero product that'll revive damaged hair in just 10 seconds. Use this duo 1 to 2 times a month to get the silkiest, glass-like hair, made for all hair types.